Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope with smart filters. Type what you remember: name, phrase, or extension. Use operators like type, PDF, or owner me to exclude noise. Once done, add a date range or before and after terms to target periods. That reduces results dramatically. Make sure to check the quick access and recent sections. They often surface the file you need. If nothing appears, expand to shared drives and use partial matches. Drive handles fragments, so enter any memorable word. Once you have a short list, refine by sorting. Switch to last modified or relevance to promote likely candidates. You should preview with the eye icon instead of opening every file. That saves time. If content matters, search inside documents by enclosing phrases in quotes. Drive indexes inside PDFs and docs. When a file looks close but outdated, check version history to find prior content. Also, use open with to test attachments. Sometimes originals hide under converted copies. If files remain missing, expand to shared with me, team drives, and the trash. Many files are relocated rather than deleted. Open the activity panel to see who moved or renamed things. This often reveals where it went. Once done, use Drive audit logs or admin console if you have access. Those show recent changes across folders. If you find it in trash, restore within 30 days. Otherwise, contact the owner directly and request a copy or restoration. Communication often solves edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.